Hey guys, Poppy Point Customs here. Just going to do a little unboxing video of a little care package that was sent to me from Sleemans Beer. It's received in by Purelator today. Hey, let's see what's inside. This is box number 1. Looks like a sweater. It's a very nice sweater. And it's my size. Perfect. And let's see what this is. Great shirt. And it's one of my favorite colors. And again, it's my size. Big shout out to Sleemans Beer. Alright, so we're going to check box number 2 here. Wow, that's nice. I really like that. Nice tin sign, and this will actually be going up in my office. I believe I have a perfect spot for that. Really nice. Got a big shout out to Sleeman's Beer here in Canada. So again, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Sleeman's Beer. This is probably my absolute favorite. It's a Sleeman's Clear 2.0. If you haven't tried it, if you enjoy a nice cold beer, this is a nice light beer to enjoy over the hot weather this summer. Anyways guys, just a short video. Again, a big thanks to Sleemans. This is my first care package that I've actually received since I've been on YouTube since 2010. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and please check out the Sleeman's Clear 2.0 beer. Take care. Have a great week.